My name's Tom Bennett. I am CEO of Inertial Sense. We're located here in beautiful Provo, Utah, at the foot of the Timpanogos Mountains. The vision of the company has always been to deliver precision navigation at the lowest possible cost. And over our 10-year journey has brought ourselves to what I consider to be the most significant inflection point in the company and in the market, and that's delivering tactical grade navigation systems at a fraction of the cost of what anybody else can do. And so that is our core value proposition. It's delivering tactical grade at a fraction of the cost that anyone else can, that unlocks applications for both commercial and defense customers. But if I had to pick one major inflection point, when Undersecretary Hicks came out and talked about the replicator initiative in the Department of Defense, that everything now has to be small, smart, cheap, and many. That was really the most solid indication that the market was moving in a new direction. It's meaningful to commercial customers who simply want to get better navigation at a lower cost, to literally take products and projects off the shelves that they hadn't been able to execute on before without having something at this price performance level. But it's even more meaningful for defense customers who are now dealing with an entirely different attack surface, modern warfare, with things like low-cost attritable drones, loitering munitions, wanting to get the most sophisticated warfighter aiming and engagement systems. These are the new constraints of modern warfare. And for that, they need a product like Inertial Sense.